This segment of Cincinnati Refined is sponsored by Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom.
Want to save money on kitchen appliances, washer and dryer combos, and mattresses? My next guest will tell us how they beat big box store sales prices. Ryan Mock from Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom is here. Welcome to the show, Ryan.
Hey, Abby, thanks for having me.
Yeah, thank you so much for being here. So give us a little bit of information about Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom. How long have you guys been around?
We've been around for 40 years.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
28
stores in 5 different states. And we also have over 20,000 reviews and have almost 5 stars on Google.
That's huge.
So
that's awesome.
We're very proud of our reviews. Yes.
Yeah, that's great. And so I know the holidays are quickly approaching, which is crazy, but you guys are getting started early with a Black Friday sale that's up to 70% off that starts already now, correct?
Yeah, actually. Yeah, we're featuring 4 different special deals, and all you have to do is come in and mention the word Bonanza, and we're going to review those in just a minute.
Okay, so what are some of those deals? I know a refrigerator is one.
Yeah, we're going to have a Frigidaire gallery side by side. We're going to have a package with
an appliance package. Yeah, what all comes in that package?
It's going to be a refrigerator, range, and the dishwasher, so full kitchen.
Yeah, okay, everything you need in one.
Yep.
And then you guys also have the washer and dryer, buy one, get one free, correct?
Yes, we have a washer that you can buy for $9.99, and you're going to get a free dryer with it, and we just blow the competition out of the water. Yeah. And
then you guys also do great savings on mattresses as well, correct?
We do. Right now, we actually are selling off some of our floor models, so you can get 50% off of brands that is never even possible to do, such as Tempur-Pedic and Purple. And we also carry all the innovative brands on display on the floor for our customers to try out, including Casper, Tempur-Pedic, Stearns & Foster, Nectar, and Purple.
All of those, yeah.
All those major brands.
Walk me through how you guys are able to provide the guests these great deals and sales.
Yeah, too easy. So there's 2 things. One, we specialize in our special buys.
Okay.
So when there's a supply chain issue or a overstock in appliance, we buy thousands of those at a big discount and then pass the savings on straight to you, the customer.
That's awesome.
There's another one we call the uncrated merchandise, and what that is manufacturers won't ship a damaged box because they know right away it's just going to be a problem. Yep. So we buy boxes, unbox them, grade them, and then pass those savings on to the customer. And those are going to be from anywhere from 30 to 60% off.
Wow, that's amazing. So
yes.
You guys truly have it all. You can help with kitchen, you can help with the laundry needs. Looks like you guys have even, the store's pretty big, so.
Yeah, it's a great store, and one thing that is very important too, that sets us aside from our competition is all our products are brand new with their manufacturer's warranty, and they're not used.
That is awesome. Well, to learn more about great savings, log on to their website, appliancefactory.com.